What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2011 Porsche Panamera. As you guys can see, got some green brake calipers. Just different. I like it. Different. 4-door converter. Then what we did, it took the resonator off. That's right there. We took that mid resonator off. It's still got another set of resonators there and another set of resonators there. Then it's still also got mufflers in the back there, and they're covered by all this aerodynamic cover, whatever you want to call it. So to do a muffler delete on it, you have to take about 20 or 30 screws out just to get to see the muffler. So keep that in mind when you call people for a muffler delete. But there's the tips on it. Massive tips right there, right there. There it is. That wing comes out and everything. It's a really nice car. Really beautiful. Look at the white tires on it too. I love it. There's the resonator that was on it. We just cut it off and put 2 pieces of pipe in its place. And if you guys wonder, resonators are straight through design with perforations inside of it. You know, that's what quiets it down at a certain RPM. So there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Better than nothing. Gives it a little bit more tone. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 86. Go ahead and back it out. Just a clean tone. It doesn't need a lot. I like it. It's just clean. There's this side. Here's this side. And here's in the middle. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's got a little bit.
You can hear a little tone, but
barely, yeah.
It's pretty subtle.
Once he gets rid of those mufflers, it'll be a lot crazier.
Yeah.
Then it'll sound like a Porsche, you know?
Right. Yeah. He's wanting to keep it short mileage, he's gonna rent it out. But...
Yeah. Toro?
Yeah,